What's up guys, you're watching this video, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 4 error, and the error is WS-36812-0, unable to join the party. So simply here we go to the settings. I'm just sharing my screen on my left side, and here we are at the party, not the setting, party, and start a close party settings, and simply just check the network. Here is a share play and go to the test internet connection. So sometime your connection is not supporting your party or a share play. Here is a test connection speed, unable to join the party. Look at that. Just wait, testing. Here's a too low. So you must check your internet connection. Your internet connection is a too low. It's not allowing to join the party or a share play. I'm just going to suggest you must use a wired LAN one from router to PlayStation 4 and set up a new connection or internet connection. Then it will be work. And sometimes you're having a problem with your connection is low, and sometimes the PlayStation network is not working, the server is down or some maybe. And here's you can test the view PlayStation network servers, and here's a user LAN cable. It's a you just connect it from the router directly to the PS4 and set up a new connection. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.